Hey, back with another video today. Hope you're all okay. I'm back with a retie video today. I think it's been about 5 weeks since I did my last retie, so I was due. On the last retie, I think I went a bit longer than 5 weeks, but this time I just felt like I was due. I've been getting a bit bored of my Microlocs lately. I've been wearing a wig for a while, so I decided to retie them and try and get back into the swing of wearing them again. So I've just washed my hair and I'm using the stimulating do grow oil. I'm going to do a separate video on the products I'm using in my locks lately because quite a lot has changed. So this is the first row of the retie. I'm doing the 2-point rotation. Nothing has changed there. Can you believe it, guys? I'm officially 1 year locked. I need to figure out what video I'm going to do for my 1 year anniversary. It'll probably be a 1 year update, but I feel like not much has changed. But I might do a 1 year update and with a lock count included, something like that. And maybe some photos, like a photo collage of all the photos. Like the way my hair used to look and how it looks now, kind of thing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Here I'm doing my 2-point rotation. I went from right to left and down and up, down. Right to left, down. That kind of looks diagonal, what I just did, but I can assure you it was down. But I don't know, maybe I'm not holding the needle in the correct way, but it is down, but it looks kind of diagonal. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. But yeah, this retie took quite a while. I think I spread it over 2 days because it just felt like it was taking forever. I started it Saturday morning and then probably about 9 o'clock, and then I finished probably about a third of my head around 1 p.m. and then I carried on the next day. So all in all, it probably took me maybe about 6 hours. But I had breaks and I didn't do it all in one day. So yeah, it didn't feel like that much because it was all broken down into a few hours each day. So with this lock, I only did one rotation with the locking needle because it's quite small, so I couldn't do another rotation. When that happens, I usually just do like a retwist instead of a retie, if that makes sense. Just do a retwist with my fingers and oil. So I've been using water and oil for my reties. I used to use a wax, but now I'm just using water and oil. And I had to yawn there. I was saying I use water and oil, and it seems to be working. I enjoy the way it looks when it's finished. I don't have any issues with it. I haven't got much build-up either. That's the main reason why I use water and oil, because I didn't want a lot of build-up in my hair. So yeah, I love it. I'm doing the back of my hair all by touch. I can't see anything. I'm doing it all by touch, which is difficult, but I think I'm getting used to it now. 1 year later, I better be getting used to it. Yeah, so 1 year later I'm getting used to retying my hair, and I enjoy it. I do enjoy it. So I'm just thinking this might be my 6th retie or something, because if I do it every 6 weeks, actually no, that don't make sense. 52 weeks in a year. Oh wow. So I must have done quite a few reties. At least 9. 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, maybe 8, something like that. But I've not recorded all of them. But yeah, I am loving it. I am loving the journey. Well, I'm not gonna update you guys on how I'm feeling about my locks at the minute, because I'll do that in a 1 year anniversary video. For now, this is just my retie. I'm proud of this video as well, because I got quite good angles and the lighting is really good and it's clear. So yeah, I'm happy with this video. I just hope you all enjoy, and I hope you subscribe. Subscribe please if you're enjoying the video, if you like what you see. Comment down below if you have any questions. Also, please thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you didn't, because I don't want to force you. But yeah, just let me know what you think of this video, please, guys. It really helps me with the algorithm, and I'm hoping to get better with videos with your feedback, and also get more subscribers and just enjoy the YouTube journey. Thank you for watching. Also, please let me know if you prefer the voiceover videos, or if you prefer videos with me talking as I'm actually doing the process. So if you prefer videos with me talking while I'm doing the retie, or if you prefer me doing a voiceover after the retie is finished. I hope that makes sense. I usually do voiceovers just because it's easier, and if I've got noise in the background while I'm actually doing my retie, or if I'm watching a movie or something, it's easier for me to do a voice recording afterwards. Because right now I'm laying on my bed and watching this video and I'm just relaxing. I still can't believe I've had these Microlocs for 1 whole year. I remember doing them last year and thinking, oh my gosh. I remember when I did them, I didn't like them because I didn't like the way they looked. I didn't like the fullness. I just wasn't used to it. And then as the months went by, I thought, oh, okay. And now, well, I'm not going to tell you how I feel now because I said I'm going to do an update. But yeah, I can't believe it. 1 whole year with my locks. Woo! I was getting a bit bored of doing this retie. I can't lie. I was getting a bit bored. I couldn't wait for it to finish. I was just thinking, oh, this is long. That's one thing. I'm kind of getting bored of doing a retie. But I'm glad I only have to do it like once every 5 to 6 weeks. See, my neck was hurting, my arms were aching, my hands were even aching, my fingers were aching from the pressure that I was putting on the crochet, not the crochet, on the lock needle. My fingers were actually aching. So yeah, I don't know what was going on. I was just getting tired this time. But I usually enjoy doing the reties because it's some time to myself. Put a movie on, just relax for the day. I literally do it, bang it out in one day. But this time I was just getting bored. I've definitely noticed that my locks are basically different sizes. From when I have been doing my reties, when I feel the locks and when I feel how big the parts are, I noticed that some are bigger and some are smaller. Like this one that I'm on at the minute, it's quite big. So I may end up splitting that lock. I've split a few of them already because I wanted them to be a bit smaller. So we'll just see how they mature, how they get along. We'll just see what happens. There's one in the front of my hair that I'm thinking of splitting. It's literally bang at the front of my head. It's basically in the center of my forehead instead of, which ruins the middle part. So I'm thinking of splitting that one, but I'm not sure because if I split it, then I'll have two fresh baby locks right at the front of my hair. And I don't know if I like the look of that. So I need to have a think. What I'm doing here, I had to separate these two locks because they were marrying together at the root. That happens quite often. It's normal for that to happen with locks because your hair has a lot of new growth at the root, so it causes the locks to marry together. Usually I just spray a bit of water on them or just gently pull them apart. Believe it or not, guys, this video has taken about 3 days to edit because I start editing it and then I think, oh wait, let me sort this out. Let me do some laundry. Oh, I've got some laundry. Oh, let me wash up. Oh, let me get the kids in bed. So hopefully I'll get to finish and edit it now because it's 8:15 p.m. There's nothing else to do, so I'm sorting this out. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the video. I enjoy videos like this because I like to see the process of the interlocking and how long it takes. This video is sped up quite a lot, so you won't see everything. But originally this video was 1 hour and 30 minutes and now I've managed to cut it down to 30 minutes. So yeah, Please ignore Elijah in the background. He clearly wanted some attention, so he was playing with his sister's doll and throwing it up in the air and catching it. Right, I'm on a new section here. I'm trying to go straight across, making a parting straight across, and then I will retie those locks straight across, going back and forth until I reach the top of my head. If anyone is still watching, please let me know if you prefer the short videos or long videos. I feel like people prefer short videos because they just get straight to the point and you don't have to sit there for a long time watching the video. But I prefer long videos because I can sit there, have a drink, relax and enjoy what I'm watching. So I think here I decided to do a retwist rather than a retie, because I remember I've recently retied my edges anyway. So, no, I didn't decide to do a retwist. I actually did a retie. But I think I only went twice on this. I just did one full rotation, I'm sure I did. Yeah, I just did one full rotation because that was enough. Because I've recently retied my edges anyway. So it's little wispy bits like this that aren't fully locked into my locks that makes me think I need to start using some sort of wax. I stopped using wax because I didn't want any build up in my locks, but but the little hairs that keep unraveling or that keep growing outside the locks, I'm thinking of using some wax for that. So I'm back and this is my finished product. I love a fresh retie. The parts are so clean. They're not as straight as I would like, but it's okay. It's a-okay, considering I'm doing it. I do all this myself. I'm proud of myself and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do like, comment and subscribe, because I've noticed sometimes I get a lot of views on my videos, but most of the views aren't subscribed. So it would be great if you please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.